Gold technical analysis for trading in this week. We're currently looking at the 4-hour time frame. We previously discussed the significance of this pullback area, which has already held the price once. Our expectation was that the lower boundary or a hunt of this pullback would manage to support the price again. So far, that's exactly what has happened. However, as I mentioned before, our current expectation is strictly for price containment. We aren't putting too much weight on gold rushing to make fresh all-time highs just yet, though we certainly aren't ruling that scenario out. For us to confidently shift our bias to the bullish side, we need to see a specific structural confirmation. Price needs to make an impulsive move up, break out of this key pullback zone, and crucially, avoid a sharp impulsive rejection. Instead, we want to see a compressed sideways correction, a slow pullback into the support level currently being formed. If it pulls back cleanly without breaking down, then we can comfortably lean into stronger bullish scenarios with solid momentum. On the other hand, if these bullish conditions fail to materialize, we should expect gold to lose the 4,300 level. If that happens, a simple hunt won't hold much weight this time around. In fact, we could easily see price pushing down to break below the 4,000 psychological level. 1-hour time frame analysis. Let's drop down to a lower time frame, the 1-hour chart. If you spot reversal signs here and manage to get a valid trigger and confirmation to take a short position, it should be approached as a half-risk trade. Always look for confirmation. Wait for a pullback that fails to make a higher high, or if it does sweep the high, make sure it's a fake out or a failed breakout. Once that structure forms, you can look to short on the next pullback. Your first target will be the pivot level itself around 4,400. The next target will be the breakdown of 4,300, and our ultimate analytical target could be a deeper move toward the 4,000 zone. This outlines our primary short setup for the week. Alternatively, if the market doesn't give us that sell confirmation, meaning we see a pullback but it fails to take out the low followed by another structural shift, you could look for a risky, aggressive scalp to the long side with much lower risk. Generally speaking, for a solid bullish outlook, our preference is to find price at a deeper discount. By staying patient and waiting for confirmation after a liquidity sweep of the low, we can catch a much cleaner, safer, and higher probability setup on the subsequent pullback. Wishing you all a highly profitable and successful trading week ahead. Like and subscribe for more.